The objective of living is work, experience, and happiness. I am a great believer in luck, and I find the harder I work, the more I have of it. We are no strangers to high stress situations. The moment we step into the real world, it quickly becomes evident that life is going to have its highs and lows. Internships are no exceptions. Although internships provide us with a great way to learn and expand our knowledge within an industry, but it's not always going to be easy. Anything that is meant to teach us is going to require flexibility, growth, and stretching. It's not always fun, but it is always beneficial for us. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking, don't settle. As with all matters of the heart, you will know when you find it. For me, from every aspect, those 3 months were fabulous and magical. What I had expected and what I got in return back, the gap between that was unimaginable and unexpected. It was a great experience for me to work with those beautiful people and build up my confidence. Hello everyone from Patan Museum Cafe, which is located inside the Museum of Patan Darbar. This beautiful cafe offers a outside garden restaurant. The menu offers a wide variety of dishes including salads, sandwiches and local specialties. The team is very friendly. This atmospheric dining venue is set within the historic Patan Museum Darbar. The cafe offers a respite from the busy city and a place to enjoy history, style, and a delicious bite to eat. It is mainly a place attracted by tourists who often come to visit Patan Darbar Square. As Patan Museum is so huge, it will take you much time to take around, so tourists come across with our cafe to conquer their hunger. Patan Museum Cafe has its own garden where we can find fresh vegetables and organic herbs that we use to prepare food for our guests. Seasonal vegetables are grown up in our garden. Sometimes we get bored getting used to the same thing we perform every day. So, to keep our boring schedule aside, we, the staff of Patan Museum Cafe, do gardening as well. Doing that makes us enthusiastic and fun. These are some herbs that are grown up in our garden. You can just have a look. Now you can have a look at this beautiful whale. You might wonder, looking at this strange whale, it is said to be 100 years old. Now, can you believe it? Well, it is just a saying, but It is just located in front of our entrance, so people are mainly attracted by this wheel as well. Another part of our cafe is decorated with beautiful jars. These jars contain grains inside them, which looks beautiful when we place them aside the walls. So this is our beautiful Patan Museum Cafe. Please do come and visit our cafe. It's very beautiful. Bye bye. See you.